Hello there. My name is Max, and today I'm here to tell you about GeoSafe GPS tracking system, the fleet owner's first choice. With GeoSafe, you can track your fleet in real time, no matter where they are in the world. It's the perfect solution for anyone who wants to stay on top of their fleet's movements. The temperature monitoring feature helps you keep track of the temperature in your vehicles, making sure that your goods are always transported at the right temperature. Our taxi dispatch system is perfect for taxi and ride-sharing services. It enables efficient dispatching and routing, leading to increased customer satisfaction. Our fuel monitoring system ensures that you have complete control over fuel consumption, but it's not just about the features. With GeoSafe GPS tracking system, you'll also get access to 24/7 service assistance and a user-friendly GUI. Install GeoSafe GPS tracker now. With our solution, you'll maximize vehicle and fleet utilization, increase workforce productivity and efficiency, reduce fuel consumption and costs, improve safety, maintenance practices, and compliance with governmental regulations. www.geosafepro.com. Visit now.